This is the DJI Mic 2, and we're mostly going to unbox it and kind of go over my initial thoughts and opinions. I bought it off of Amazon, and details will be in the description. I'm also recording this audio with it as well, and I have the windscreen on. So let's get into the meat of this thing. It comes with a carrying pouch, which is nicely organized. I appreciate that. And I honestly toss this any bag whenever I leave. I don't really need to. I've only used this maybe a handful of times. I've had it for about a couple months now. So, been a couple shorts that I've posted with the DJI mic. And the first item was the windscreen, which you can attach to this transmitter to reduce the wind sounds, which is super nice to have. And the windscreen is super soft. I need it in blanket form immediately. And this is the receiver. And then we have some cables here. That one is the audio cable. You can connect to a camera. You can connect the receiver or connect the audio cable to the receiver and then to your camera. Then the charging cable, and then it comes with 2 phone adapters, Lightning and a Type-C option, which is great. I usually connect it to my phone and record through my phone. I can connect it to my MacBook Pro, but I don't know. I find it easier just connecting it to my phone. And of course, the most important thing of all is the instructions. As an individual that hasn't used any external audio source, I found the instructions a bit minimal for my liking. I think for the most part, it was easy to kind of like follow and like at least starting to record. I think some of the settings were unclear whenever you started playing around with the receiver. I know there's noise cancellation options, but when I was testing it, it didn't make a difference, but that could also be because of my environment. Granted, I'm recording inside, so maybe if I record outside. And this is the magnetic clip. You have 2 ways to clip it on. Very strong magnet, by the way, so it's really not going anywhere. So that was my only opinion about the instructions. There was like a QR code there you could scan, which wasn't helpful. I leveraged YouTube videos just to understand some of the settings there. As you can see, this was my initial setup. It was, asking me for date and language, all of that. So there's a few different ways you can record audio, and you don't need the receiver to record audio, by the way. So yeah, I thought that was nice to know as well. A few things I'm still learning, but I'll learn it on the way. If you guys have any questions, post them below, and I'll see how I can help. Bye for now.